In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your own images to Microsoft Designer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the upload options, how to bring in your photos, logos, or graphics, and what to do if the buttons aren't obvious in your version of Designer. First, get yourself into a design. Open Microsoft Designer in your browser or launch the app, and choose whether you want to start fresh or continue working on something you already began. If you're starting from a blank slate, select Design from Scratch so you have an empty canvas ready to go. If you already have a layout underway, open that project so your new image can drop right into the existing design. Now let's add your image from your computer. Inside the design canvas or editor, look around for an option labeled Upload or Add Image. Depending on your layout, this might appear at the top toolbar, in a side panel, or near the canvas itself. When you click it, choose from this device. That opens your file picker so you can navigate to the image you want. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and SVG typically work well, and higher resolution files will give you cleaner results when you resize. After you select the file and confirm, Designer will place the image directly onto your canvas. Once it appears, you can adjust it right away. Click and drag the corners to resize without stretching, and move it around until it sits exactly where you want. Most canvases show smart guides to help you center or align with other elements. If you need a quick tweak, look for basic edit controls nearby, things like crop, opacity, or simple filters, to make the image fit your style. You can also layer it above or below other items, so your layout remains balanced and readable. If the Upload or Add Image button isn't obvious, there's a simple workaround. Just drag and drop the file from your desktop straight onto the Designer canvas. Hover over the canvas until you see a highlight or a plus indicator, then release. Designer will import it and place it for you, even in versions where the UI keeps the upload option tucked away. If you still don't see anything, make sure you're dropping on the canvas area, not on a sidebar or outside the window. That's it. Start a design or open a project, upload from your device, and position and edit your image on the canvas. With these steps, you can quickly bring your own visuals into Microsoft Designer and keep your creativity in full control.